Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best way to reheat them. If you happen to make a huge batch of fried pickles and end up with leftovers, they're very easy to reheat. I would absolutely avoid reheating these in the microwave. That method would only result in soggy fried pickles.
Take our lead.
1. Reheating in the oven. Preheat kitchen appliance to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place cooked pickles on a baking sheet. Reheat pickles for concerning 10 to 15 minutes, depends on the kind of kitchen appliance that you simply use. Once it's been absolutely warmed over, you'll be able to take it out and revel in.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
One more thing that makes them perfect. They can last a really long time. Pickles can last for as long as 1 to 2 years past the expiration date printed on their jars. That's whether you store them in the refrigerator or not, provided they've been properly sealed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.